Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to download b.pharma notes, b.pharmacy complete notes download through this website b.pharmanotes.com. Firstly you have to type b.pharmanotes.com in your browser and search for it. b.pharmanotes.com. Firstly type this keyword in your browser and search it. Then you will see a website like this which shows pharmacy notes, b.pharma notes, semester 1, semester 2, semester 3 and semester 4 similarly. Firstly we need to create an account on this website. To create this is just an small example ad. You can simply close it by pressing. Sometimes you will see ads mainly. Click on register in the browser. After clicking on register you will see a new tab. In the login or register you need to create a new account, so you need to click on register. Again you will see a ad. Click on register and type your email address in the email box. Simply I type my email address. And click on register. I type my email address and click on register. You need to follow these steps to download b.pharma complete notes. Mainly we will cover second semester notes. Now our account is created and simply we need to click on downloads, but this will show some ads. Click again on downloads and you will see that after clicking again on downloads you will see a new tab which shows that you don't have available yet any downloading product. So click on home and you will see a ad. Again click it back, go to b.pharmanotes.com. Again you will see this you have created account, so which helps you very much to download notes. Click on second sem notes semester 2. It will show ad. Click back again and then it will show you again. After clicking back you will see that this will come pharmaceutical organic chemistry complete subject notes. You will see a ad. When you will see a ad, click back again and click on this. You will download b.pharma notes successfully. After this you will see unit first organic chemistry. So click on allow. If you will allow or block that's your matter. That's not a matter. You can allow or block elsewhere. Simply I will block it. After clicking on block I'm not a robot and click on continue. Not click here, click on continue as shown. After clicking on continue you will see 10 seconds timer. After 10 seconds timer you need to wait. After 10 second timers you need to wait. You will get a link, get link. Click on this get link. Click on this get link and click on back button. After clicking on back button you will see your website. You will be redirected to the unit first pharmaceutical organic chemistry first unit first. After clicking redirected back you need to add to cart. Add to cart different products. As I will adding different products, I will edit unit fourth unit first. You will also need to add to cart. Whenever you will see a ad, click back, then you will be redirected automatically to the original website. View cart. Click on view cart. This is my cart. I will edit many products and click on checkout, or whether you will click through cart or whether checkout, you will be redirected to the cart page. After redirecting to the, you will need to fill these details. I will fill my details to download b.pharma complete notes. I will see a ad, I will click it back and I will fill my complete details as ever. I will also provide you video for downloading b.pharma second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth semester notes. First you can completely download, but you must have to keep in point that you will need to fill your country as India if you are from India, and if you are from United States or other country you need to fill your country, because payments are different. For United States they need to pay $2 to $3 for this unit, and you need to pay 20 rupees for this unit. These units 20 rupees per unit. I have completed my billing details and I will click allow. Indians can pay from both the methods, PayUmoney as well as Razorpay, but United States or other countries will need to pay through Razorpay only. Click on the second option. Only for United States and other countries. Indians can pay from both the methods. They will need. I will click here on 80. I will have to pay 80 rupees. So I will use wallets. I have money in my wallets. I will see ad. I will click on wallets. Then I will click to Paytm and pay now. After clicking on pay now, I will be redirected to the Paytm gateway. Through this I will fill my mobile number which could contain money. After clicking they will send me an OTP. After getting OTP I need to fill this OTP in the enter OTP place and clicking on enter. After enter it, this is here is the OTP. I will need to fill it. After filling it I will click continue, and clicking continue. Pay available balance is, my available balance is 105. I will pay 80 rupees to download these notes. Wonderful notes. These are handwritten best notes ever. My transaction is successful. I will need to go to the download section as we have created accounts earlier, so we will be redirected. These are the best b.pharm notes, best handwritten notes for every country, mainly for India and United States and UK. After clicking on downloads, after clicking on this is an ad, so click it back again, and after click it again downloads, so we will redirected to our main website, and here we will see our downloads. I will download unit first, pharmaceutical organic chemistry notes. Click over it. After clicking over it, I will click over it, and you will see a ad again. After whenever you will see a ad, click back again and then redirect it to the main website. Sometimes ads appear, sometimes not. Mainly sometimes ad appears. After clicking it, I have downloaded. I have stopped this video for because my internet is slow, and I have downloaded these notes. These are best notes ever according to the latest syllabus. So if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. If you have any suggestions for me, leave it below in the comments box. Thank you for watching.